Here we got a 1930 Ford Model A coupe. I know I didn't do this orange puppy, but you know, I did a lot of Model A's. It's the original one.
Is that yours?
Except that alternator's something added on there.
Two-door sedan.
Easy to get at your
I was trying to figure out how he mounted this.
hinge pins. You gotta tighten those up, man. You freaking pop them in there real easy. For sale. Rumble see. See how much room you got down there? No seat belts, no airbags. That's where you step to get in there, right there. Step there, step there. Don't step on this side because you scuff the paint. Understand? Get on that side. For sale. Looks cool with the red wheels too. That's one thing, you got a motorcycle or something, you don't want to buy like chrome wheels, just paint them red. They look cool. Yeah, a little different. Hurrah. Kick some freaking ass. Oh, he's gonna start it. Yeah. Yeah. Runs good. Runs better than the freaking 2018 car. That's a trip. You could take these cars out in snow. It smells a little rich though. And he's running just a bit rich. You know, you can take these cars anywhere, man. It's a reliable shit. You can take these out all winter, freaking below zero weather and ice and snow. Everything will go. Skinny tires on it, shit.
Good.
Great. You can make doing adjustments here.
As low as I can.
Is that running a little rich?
Huh?
Is that running a little rich?
Probably so.
Yeah.
Probably so.
Yeah. Oh, it's smooth now a little bit.
Oh yeah.
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 What's that? Is that like an advanced timing on there? Timing on there? Is that your timing?
Yeah. Yeah. You want me to leave with that up?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can run alcohol too, right?
Huh?
You can run alcohol.
Will I do what now?
You can run alcohol in this with that timing thing.
No.
Yeah?
No. Never have.
Huh?
I just use regular gas in it.
Well, that's what they do it for.
Yeah.
That's what that timing's like that. I heard that was for alcohol and gas. You can run alcohol. You can just get alcohol on a farm and just, you know.
I guess you could.
You know, Johnny Rockville didn't like that. That's why he made prohibition. You know that?
Right. Exactly.
That's how it came about.
Yeah.
Where's the girl?
But the engine's been all gone through. It's got the stainless steel valves and all in it.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Stainless steel valves, man. They freaking don't burn those suckers up. I got some of them in my Harley.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I put them in
a Harley?
Yeah, it was a long time, man. Since bought it in '89.
Yeah, I used to ride until I had open heart surgery. I had a Alta Classic.
Yeah.
They're down this way,
yeah. And when I was a kid, I had a sports stuff.
I tell you, man, I like these cars way better, man. I just can't stand any new junk they got today, man. God damn it.
They're nice cars. I mean, you know,